Now we have to show that C0 minus C1 by 2 plus C2 by 3 plus minus C3 by 4 and so on plus minus 1 to power n Cn by n plus 1 equal 1 by n plus 1. We let LHS and this expression can be written as R equal 0 to n. Last term put the value of n is R, CR by R plus 1 and CR is NCR. If we put R equal 0, then we get first term NC0. If we put R equal 1, we have minus 1 C1 by 2. R equal 2 minus 1 square means plus 1 NC2 and 2 plus 1 C 2 plus 1 means 3. Now R equals 0 and we have to find n plus 1, means we divide and multiply it by n plus 1. And it can be written as 1 by n plus 1. R equals 0 minus 1 to the power R, and it is 1 by n plus 1 common, means n plus 1 by R plus 1 NCR, and we know that formula n by R n minus 1 CR minus 1 is equal NCR. Then n plus 1 by R plus 1 NCR is equal n plus 1 CR plus 1. Apply this formula, we get 1 by n plus 1 summation R equal 0 to n minus 1 to the power R, and n plus 1 by R plus 1 NCR can be written as n plus 1 CR plus 1. Now put the value of R in this expression, means we expand this expression, we get first term R equal 0 means n plus 1 C1. R equal, put R equal 1, we get minus 1 n plus 1. R equal 0, we get 1. R equal 1, we get 2. R equal 3, we get minus 1. R equal 2 means minus 1 square n plus 1 C 2 plus 1 means 3. R equal 3, we get minus 1 3 n plus 1 C 4, and R equal n minus 1 n plus 1 C R plus 1. Now multiply whole equation by minus 1. we get minus 1 by n plus 1, minus 1 outside, and minus n plus 1 C1 plus minus 1 square n plus 1 C2 minus 1 cube n plus 1 C3 minus 1 4 n plus 1 C4 minus 1 to the power n, multiply it by minus 1, we get minus 1 to the power n plus 1 into n plus 1 C n plus 1. When r equal n, we get n plus 1. N plus 1. Now adding n plus 1 C0 both sides means in the beginning of this expression and in the end, adding and subtracting n plus 1 C0 in this expression, we get n plus 1 C0 minus 1 n plus 1 C1 minus 1 n plus 1 C1 minus 1 square n plus 1 C2 minus 1 cube n plus 1 C3 and so on, minus 1 n plus 1 n plus 1 C n plus 1. And adding and subtracting means this bracket is not closed yet. Minus n plus 1 C0. Adding and subtracting n plus 1 0, n plus 1 C0 in this expression. Now minus 1 by n plus 1, and it is the formula of sigma r equal 0 to n plus 1 minus 1 to the power r plus 1 minus 1 to the power r n plus 1 C r minus n plus 1 C0. If we expand this term, we get r equal 0 first term, r equal 1 second term, r equal 2 third term, and so on. And we know that summation r equal 0 to n minus 1 to the power r NCR is equal to 0. Then the value of n in this expression as n plus 1, both are equal, and minus 1 to the power r NCR. Then this expression becomes 0. Minus n plus 1 C0 is 1, and we have 1 by n plus 1, and it is our RHS.